Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Kumar Saurabh, and today in this video tutorial we will learn about PostgreSQL format function. Let's see what we are going to cover in this video tutorial. First we will know about what is a format function. After this we will know how to format number with commas in PostgreSQL. Then we will know how to format an integer using a format function in PostgreSQL. At the end of this video tutorial we will know about how to format a floating point number using a format function. Let's start by discussing what is a format function. But first we need to know one important aspect of a PostgreSQL is its data formatting capabilities, which allow user to define the format of data stored in database. Now, the PostgreSQL format function is used to format a string using a specified format string and arguments. The syntax of the format function is as follows, you can see here. The format function accepts two values, format string and arguments. The format string is the string to be formatted, and arguments are the values to be inserted into the string. The format string can contain a placeholder that are replaced by the values of the arguments. The format string parameter is the template string that defines the format of the output string. The template string contains a placeholder for the argument that will be substituted into the string. The placeholders are denoted by percentage followed by a letter or a combination of letters that indicate the type of data to be formatted. The letters that can be used as a placeholder are percentage small s for a string, percentage small d or percentage I for an integer, percentage small f for a floating point number, percentage small e or percentage capital E for a scientific notation, percentage small g or percentage capital G for a compact representation of the floating point numbers, percentage small x or percentage capital X for a hexadecimal number. Let's look at some example of using format function. So open query editor of pgadmin application, and after select use the format function. Within format function, the first parameter we need to specify is format string. Suppose we want to say to our friend hello, so for that we are going to write here hello. Then here we will use the specify. In this example we are going to insert the string value, so the placeholder is going to be percentage s. Then we write the argument. Argument is the value that will be substituted in this formatted string James. Now execute this query and see. As we can see in the result, the string James is inserted into formatted string in a place of placeholder percentage s, and the result is hello James. In this query, the format function is used to insert the string James into the format string hello percentage s, where percentage s is a specifier which represents the string. Now move to the next topic, how to format a number with commas in PostgreSQL. In PostgreSQL, you can format a number with commas using the toChar function. The toChar function is used to convert a number to a string, and it can also be used to format the number with commas. Here is the syntax you can see. Within the toChar function, number is the number you want to format with commas, and the format string fm 3 times 999 specifies that the number should be formatted with commas. Here the fm keyword is a modifier that removes leading spaces in the output. Let's take an example and see how to use the toChar function to format a number with commas. Come back to query editor, and after select, specify the toChar. Within the toChar, specify the number that you want to format with commas, and after that specify the format string that format the number with commas. Execute this code and see. Now as we can see, the provided number is formatted with commas. This is how to format the number with commas using the format string fm 3 times 999. Now move to the next topic, how to format an integer using format function. So to format an integer, use a placeholder as a percentage I. Let's see an example. Now come back to query editor. In this example, after select, within the format function, the format string is the value of x is. Then we have used the format specifier, that is a percentage I, which represents the integer value. After that, we have provided argument 42 that will be inserted in place of the placeholder percentage I. Let's execute this code and see. Now we can see in the output that the integer 42 is inserted into the format string. The value of x is percentage I, where percentage I is a specifier that represents integer value. Now move to the next topic, how to format a floating number using format function. So for that, we are going to specify percentage s that will be the first 6 months. Let's quickly jump to the example and see. So in this example, format function, we have used the specified percentage s to represent the floating number. After that, in argument we provide floating point number 3.1415, and this value will be inserted in the place of percentage s in the whole format string. Let's execute the code and see. Now we can see floating point number 3.1415 is inserted into the format string, the value of pi is %s. This is how we can insert the floating point number into format string using the %s specifier or placeholder. Before we end this tutorial, let me tell you that we have little post about PostgreSQL format on our website databasefacts.com. I hope that you have enjoyed video tutorial about PostgreSQL format concept. So at last, I want to say don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.